Replicator Pro, installing a single site backup. Now we're going to go ahead and install this site's settings and theme on a brand new domain. First thing you'll want to do if you have shared hosting is, of course, add the domain as an add-on domain. If you have reseller hosting, obviously you'll just be opening up your account for the new domain. So I've already added on the domain. So I want to go back to File Manager, click on that. Again, we want to go to Web Root. Now when this comes up, if you click on Public HTML down below it, you'll see onetestsite.net, twotestsite.net. We're going to install the site files on twotestsite.net. So I double click on that and you'll see right now there's just a CGI bin. If I actually go to twotestsite.net, you'll see there's absolutely nothing on it. So upload, always remembering to click these three boxes after execute so that the permissions are 755. Go to choose file, and the blog backup that we saved, we're going to upload that, and you'll see it'll show up down here in the lower right hand corner. Then we'll want to go to Replicator Pro and go to Destination Site. The two files in the Destination Site folder are replicatorpro.php and again XMLAPI. Now this is a new domain, remember, so we have to upload both Replicator Pro and XMLAPI. And you can do that just by double clicking on each of them, and you'll see them down here in your lower right hand corner. There we go. All three have completed their uploads. You can double check this by going back to your file manager and reloading your domain. You can see Blog Backup, Replicator Pro, and XMLAPI are all there. Now we go to our new domain, twotestsite.net, and then we're going to do /replicatorpro.php. Let's install your backup. Now you've got two options here. If you have created your database separately, then you would choose the second one, install backup with manually created database. The great thing about Replicator Pro is that you don't have to do that step separately. It's all integrated within Replicator Pro. So you would click this first radio button, install backup, and create database automatically. Click submit. Here we have some information that we need to enter. First, our cPanel username, and then our cPanel password. Now we choose our database name. Couple things to remember here. Your database name cannot be over 7 characters in length, nor can your database username. So I'm just going to call this database name 2. I'm going to call the database username 2user, and then I will call the database password 2user and then 2013. Install backup. You don't ever mess with this local host here. So install backup. And it will give you messages here. It says, let's install your backup. Communicating with cPanel, creating database, creating user, adding user to database. Now those are all three things that you would have had to do separately if you weren't using Replicator Pro. Lucky you. Everything appears to have successfully completed. Now we can populate the site. So you simply click Install Backup, and then it'll say Site Population Complete. Click on Check Out Your Site, and you will now see that two test site looks exactly the same as one test site. It's got our pages, it's got our widget settings, we've got the plugin settings are obviously there. So that is how you would install a single site backup if you were going to transfer a site to a new domain, if you were going to transfer a site to a new hosting account. Now don't forget, if you were going to transfer to a new hosting account, on your domain registrar, you would need to first change your name servers. So don't forget about that. But this is basically how you would, you could also use this to populate a bunch of different websites. Leave the 2012 theme that it comes with WordPress. Do all your site settings. Install all your plugins along with their settings. Install all your widgets how you normally like them to look. And then just save it using Replicator Single. And then you've got a nice little package that you can populate your new sites with in seconds. Can't beat it.